Changing your payout method on VSECU is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the VSECU website or mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings, find the option for payout methods or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, review the changes to ensure accuracy. Save your changes and look for a confirmation message indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on VSECU. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.